Here are 16 must-try food spots in Baguio. Hey Jarelski! Summer na guys, so if you're planning to visit Baguio City, save mo na tong video na to and keep on watching para hindi ka na mahirapang maghanap kung saan ka kakain sa summer capital of the Philippines. For Greek Mediterranean food, Lemon and Olives is the place to be. Order their hummus, sakto lang yung serving nito. And don't forget this grilled prawns and lamb chops, sobrang highly recommended. Binigyan ko rin chance ulit yung hot cat, sobrang solid yung kape nila. For quality ramen, the best for Baguio cold weather, check out Agara Ramen. Maliit lang yung place nila, baka may pila during peak hours. Nalungkot lang ako dun sa tsukemen na in-order ko. Wala pala tong kasamang chashu, pero solid tong hirata bun. Sobrang juicy and tasty ng pulled pork with cheese. Lagi ako nag-order ng pour over dito sa foam coffee kasi masasarap yung beans nila. Itong donut sacks lang, 70 pesos lang naman. The best mag-breakfast sa Chocolate de Baterol. Ang order ko lagi yung daing na bangus. Then okay din naman yung puto bumbong and bibingka nila. Berry mama yata yung pinakamasarap na dessert na natikman namin dito sa Baguio. Yung strawberry nila may pagka-floral yung flavors. Plus, solid din yung kape nila dito. For good pastries, don't miss out Rebel Bakehouse. Malaki at maaliwalas yung place nila here. Then, dinry ko yung chili dog nila. In fairness, masarap naman. Meaty yung chili con carne on top. And the hot dog was good. Kung butter chicken at home-cooked food ang gusto mo, Cathy's Fast Food is a humble place near Session Road. Sobrang mura yung food nila. Kung hindi ka maarte sa lugar at sa pagkain, highly recommended ko ito. We got the garlic butter chicken at yung butter chicken. And here's my verdict.
Ang gusto ko yung butter chicken. Kasi sa garlic butter chicken.
Never miss out Hatch Coffee. Make sure to reserve during weekends, napupuno talaga siya. Solid pa rin yung coffee nila. Masarap din yung Loco Moco, which has 2 patties, 2 eggs, and rice. Pero hindi mo mawala ang order ng grilled cheese nila. Takbo naman tayo for dessert sa Viscos para sa strawberry shortcake nila. But surprisingly, their ube cake was also good. Try nyo rin ito. Another highly recommended humble eatery is Luisa's Cafe along Session Road. They're OG and well known for their siopaw and noodles, and this did not disappoint. Masasarap yung food nila. Order their pancit and chicken dip. If you're looking for something fancy to hang out, the Gallery by Witchcraft is a good recommendation. Okay yung food choices nila on their menu, though a little pricey, quality food naman. They also have a brewery if you want some craft beers. Meron silang sampler kung hindi ka makadecide. Mas okay at aesthetic yung branch ng Solemn Cafe dito sa Military Cut-Off Road over their Cannon Road branch. At masarap din yung food and desserts nila, even their coffee. A must in Baguio is the strawberry and ube taho. Marami nagbebenta ng mga ito sa mga parks, so don't miss this out. Huwag ka nang pumila sa Good Taste Restaurant, magpa-deliver ka na lang. Available din naman sila via Grab. Solid pa rin yung butter chicken nila. If you want authentic Benguet food, Farmer's Daughter Restaurant is a must. First time ko makatikim ng authentic Benguet food. Talaga naman napa-extra rice ako sa sarap. Nagustuhan ko tong pinunig at yung mix-mix. Kung meron ka pang ibang Baguio recommendations, comment down below. Cheers!